Hey, it's Jason here. I want to go over some tips that I've been looking up on how to restore plastics on an ATV. It is a little dirty. I have washed it, but it still has that little film. And I just wanted to show you some things. I've seen other people talking about this boiled linseed oil. You take 40% of that and you mix it with some paint thinner, so 60% of the paint thinner. Put those together and wipe that on. I found it was easier to just put those in a spray bottle and spray it on. But I want to show you the results of that. And I'm not sure, it does clean it, makes it look a lot nicer. And that afterwards it kind of dries and it still looks pretty good. So let's just go over this and I'm going to show you what it looks like. But like I said, putting it in a spray bottle made it a lot easier than just wiping it on. It's a lot of four-wheeler. But I did wipe it off after I sprayed it on. So I want to show you. Yeah, you can kind of see a difference there. I want to see what that would look like. Now here, we're just going to wipe it off real quick. And I even put this on the seat too. So I'll show you that as well. And I have used a hot air gun on this, red plastic, and it never really made that big of a difference. So I wanted to try something else. So I'm liking how that looks. We got to see how that looks when it's dry. I'm going to go ahead and go do the whole four-wheeler here. I'll show you some before and after pictures. Here's the back. Let's go ahead and move around to the front. We'll kind of zoom in on the handlebars and the snorkel here. Let's see the racks. See where I touch it with my fingers. We'll do the other side as well. Let's go to the after and see what it looks like. Now here's the after. Gone ahead and sprayed the whole machine and wiped it all down. It looks pretty good. I have to admit I like it. Here's the front. And I'm not sure, did it just really clean the dirt off? Is it hiding the dirt? Did it restore the plastics? I'm not 100% sure. I just know this four-wheeler looks really good. It almost looks brand new. So I am impressed. But I don't know if you've ever used the Black Magic tire shine. That stuff kind of does the same thing. So, I don't know which one's better. I'm going to show you a few before and afters. I almost would kind of think the Black Tire Magic. But, this looks good too, though. It's hard to say. I did watch, as it got wet and some mud got on it right after we rode it. That stuff just kind of fell off. The water would just bead up and come off. So I'll have to see how long will it keep this looking fresh for. You can see I even used it on the brush guard there. I put it on the tires. I put it everywhere. But I did have to make sure I wiped it off, and you could kind of see some of that dirt coming off with it. So it actually seemed like it cleaned it as well as restoring it. I did check this four-wheeler a week later. It still looks pretty good, not as good as it does in these after pictures. You could see that dust had kind of settled on it, which I guess is to be expected. Might just have to wipe that off with a rag. But, it might be easier just to buy some tire wet from Black Magic and just spray it on and wipe it off. Sometimes you don't even have to wipe it off with Black Magic. So I don't know. You be the judge, and you guys let me know what you think in the comments below.